another video. Today I'm going to be making Puerto Rican pulled pork, and it's called pernil. It's P-E-R-N-I-L. If you go to the Hispanic store and buy this, it will say pernil, but if you go to like Walmart or whatever, it should call picnic roast. And it's with skin and it has bone in there. We're gonna need some vinegar, garlic, sazon. I use sofrito, oregano, salt, and virgin olive oil. That's what I use. And people, Puerto Ricans call theirs pilon, but Asians, we have one too. So this is a little bit bigger than theirs, but this will work just fine. And so here I'm gonna show you how to prepare it. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to cut the skin off. Not off, but I'm just going to slightly cut the skin off of the meat. Like this. Okay, so this is what I did. I cut it like this, okay? That way it's just easier when you want to take the skin off because it's going to get crispy at the top. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to poke holes in the meat. What you want to do is stab holes all over your meat, okay? And what that's gonna do is when we make our season, we're gonna use our garlic cloves and the rest of our seasons and like put it in the holes. That way, when you cook it, it's gonna be delicious and everything's gonna be in there. You also wanna flip it to the back and poke holes everywhere there too. I wanted to tell you guys that I already, just in case you guys were wondering, I already washed this really good with water. So you guys don't think that I didn't wash this off of the package. I have already pre-washed my pork. So I have already bought these that are already pre-peeled. I'm just gonna take a handful in here, and what we're gonna do is just smash it. Oops, be careful, smashing. So I like to leave them like this, that way I can like place them in the holes. Then we're just gonna add all of our seasoning packets. I have 3 here. You may think that this is a lot, but it's really not, because pork needs a lot of salt. And when I first started making this, I actually under salted my pork. So at the end, I had to season it some more. Then I'm just gonna add about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of oil, my vegetable oil. I'm just gonna do about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And then you're supposed to do, oh, let me take this out, my oregano, a tablespoon of oregano. And then we're going for the salt. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. So 1, 2, and then we're going to blend it all in there. And then I'm also going to use 3 tablespoons of sofrito. Everybody makes theirs different. This is just the way that I'm going to make mine, okay? And then what we want to do is, see here, we just blend this paste together, make it into a paste, and we're gonna rub our pork with. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel this back, and I'm just going to put my mixture in here, and you're going to massage the pork. See the slivers. Put the garlic in there, in the holes. Here's another hole. So you just fill them, make them deeper. Put the garlic in there. You want to massage all of the pork. You guys, I have already make sure that I seasoned everything, and then I just like to throw a little bit of salt on the skin, rub it in, and then just a little bit lightly, okay? Rub it in, even though we already did, but like I said, you guys may think that it's a lot of salt, but it's really not. I just like to do that as a finishing touch. Rub it in, massage it. As you can see, my whole pork is seasoned. And what we're gonna do is we're going to let this sit in the refrigerator overnight, and then we will cook it tomorrow. This is the best way you want to marinate your pernil so that it'll be tasty for tomorrow. So we'll get back to you tomorrow when we're ready to bake. So here I have my pernil. It's been in the refrigerator, marinated overnight. And I like to cook it in the roaster oven, especially if it's for holidays and you have to cook other things in the oven. A roaster oven comes in handy. So I just put it in there. I add just a little bit of water on the bottom just in case. And I set the temperature to 350. This is a 10-pound pernil. I'll probably cook it for 5 to 6 hours depending. But as for right now, I'm gonna let it cook for 4 hours, and then I'm gonna come back and check on it. Just me checking on it. It's only been 1 hour, and it really already looks so good, and it's already making the house smell amazing. If you guys can only smell, it smells so good. Okay guys, so this pernil is basically done, but what I'm gonna do is, because I put it in the roaster, this won't get hard. So what I'm gonna do is I transferred it to this glass pot or pan, and I'm preheating the oven for 400 degrees, and I'm gonna cook it in there just until the skin gets hard. Guys, I just took this out of the oven at 400 degrees. Just cook it in there and eyeball it until your preference, and this is how I like it. You guys hear it? It's crispy. So I transferred it back to my roaster oven because here I have my liquid, and you guys see it just falls apart. Look at that. And there you go. Pernil. Test for my pernil. As you guys can see, I cooked a whole feast. It's so good. And it's so flavorful. I didn't have to add anything, and everything came out perfect. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please go give me a like, share, and thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.